Danny Highsocker with Colonique, helping people do their business better. And today I have some more solutions from JPL. The JPL 402 PB and the 401 PM. And what these are standard QD headsets. And I think people are forgetting that QD headsets exist. In this whole pandemic thing, people have been flocking to the corded USB headsets, but you can take an existing QD headset and get yourself a QD to USB adapter, and you can then use that same headset on your PC or laptop. One of the things that I wanted to point out that I didn't point out before in the JPL 400B USB video, because some of you might be wondering, where is the call control button on the JPL inline control? And the answer is there is none. And the reason they do that is because so many organizations are ordering headsets now. They found that it was much easier to deploy these units without having to deploy additional software or have individuals in their home upload additional software to get these headsets to work. As you all know, I always stress that when I showcase any of the other brands, that make sure you download the software, make sure you update, make sure everything's up to date and all that. Well, for the JPL headsets, you don't have to do that. So you don't need to download any additional software. It should be truly plug and play. It should be universal. No, you won't be able to answer hang up from the call control, but you do have the ability to increase, decrease volume independent of the system itself. It's truly universal compatibility across all platforms. You can follow us on Twitter at Colonique. We've been running this poll to see how many people are actually using their headset inline controls to answer hang-up calls. And look, 49% are using their mouse, 35% are using their headset, and 16% are using the speakerphone control. This is still running, so check back with us on social media, either Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and you can see the final results of that. But what I'm going to do right now is take a look at these headsets. So here is the 401 PM. Alright, so what do you get? You get a headset holder, pamphlet here, comes in a nice little carry bag. You can write your name there if you want. Alright, so this headset is the single ear version. I'll get rid of that guy. Alright, there was the box. My dog scared my dog. There's the headset. And it appears that you could wear it on the right side or on the left side. And also it does have the lapel clip. Again, it has a QD. That QD will connect to this, just like that, and then we'll plug it into the PC and check it out, see how well it sounds. All right, so I'm back. I have the headset plugged in. I got my little lapel clip on, and so again we're testing the JPL 401 PM. It's a single ear headset. I got the microphone here, and again I want to show you that the movement of the mic does impact the audio quality, right? So you want to make sure that you have the microphone properly positioned when you're using a headset. So if I put it up here, it doesn't sound as good as it gets closer to my mouth, and again as it gets further away. Test, 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 test. All right, so there's that going on. And so now I'm going to turn on the volume back there. All right, so it's on 30 right now. Test, test, 1, 2. Test, test, 1, 2. Let's mute. All right, so let's raise the volume up. All right, so now it is at 40. Test, 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 test. And then we're going to raise it up a little more. Let's go all the way up to 50. Alright, so now we're at 50, and again, it's super loud, especially since this ear is uncovered. So I can really hear that's going on back there, right? So this is, I'm going to mute that. Alright, so this is the JPL 401 PM. Hold on, I'm going to pull out here, we can just do it right now. Alright, so here we got the 402 PB. B stands for binaural and M stands for monaural. I would assume that both of these, in terms of the mic performance, are similar because they look the same, except this is a dual ear version and then this is the single ear version. But we'll disconnect, plug this one in, and we'll see what happens. So super quick, I have the JPL 402 PB on. So in terms of comfort, I like this dual ear a lot better than I did the single ear, but that's just my own personal preference. And so let's get some mic action going. We're gonna start right at 50. We're just going there, right? So test 1 2, test 1 2. All right, let me mute that guy. Look at that, it's Florida. It's hot here. Hot. All right, so here you have another option that are available for you guys to order. Again, you have the 402, which is the dual ear version. You have the 401, which is the single ear version. They're QD. You can get the little QD adapter, and we'll put links in the description box below, and you can get them if you want. Or of course, you can always contact us. Right? Contacting us is always better because our account representatives can help you get the products that are available. They can tell you, hey, these are available, these are not available. They can provide lead times. They can also help you out, especially our large enterprise customers, because primarily our customer is large enterprise. So we can get you really nice, pricing on headsets. So if you're looking for headsets right now, give us a call and we'll help you out. Again, we'll put the phone number in the description box below. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.